Good morning everyone, welcome to MathTambion channel. Please click the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel to more update of MathTambion channel. Our topic for this day is about the real number system. Thematical should consist of a deep understanding of the number systems and algebraic structure, the system of real numbers extended to the system or the properties and deductions of geometry, measurement and statistic. Objective. The student will know about the basic real number system. Real number system is represented below in a diagram. Show how all of the sets of numbers relate to one another. Real numbers include rational numbers like positive and negative integers, fractions, and irrational numbers. This indicates that real numbers include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Let's proceed. Rational number is a number that can be expressed as the quotient or fraction p over q of two integers, a numerator p and a non-zero denominator q. For example, -3/7 is a rational number, as is every integer. Recognize what rational numbers is. Look at the picture. There is a violet color that is the rational number. The foundation of the integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. Rational numbers example is 4/8, -0.5, 0.333, 0.41 and so on, 0.75, 0.1, 0.48, -4/6 and etc. Rational number, any real number that cannot be expressed as the quotient of two integers. For example, there is no number among integers and fractions that equals the square root of 2. Look at the picture. Illustrate by irrational. A number that cannot be written as a fraction like square root of 5, square root of 10, square root of 3, square root of 15 and etc. Positive integers. An integer is positive if it is greater than 0. Example 1, 2, 3 to positive infinite. Negative integers are real integers that are less than 0. For example, -147 and -4 are negative integers. Take a look at the picture that represent positive and negative integers. As we all know that positive integers is a counting number just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to positive infinite. And negative integers start at -1 to negative infinite. The middle of positive integers and negative integers is the origin.
A whole number is simply any positive number that does not include the fractional or decimal part. This means that, for example, the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are all whole numbers. Whole numbers include natural numbers that begin from 1 onwards. Facts. There is no largest whole number. Except 0, every whole number has an immediate predecessor or a number that comes before. A decimal number or a fraction lies between two whole numbers, but are not whole numbers. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers because they do not include 0 or negative numbers.
Example: the set of natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is sometimes written n for short. The whole numbers are the natural numbers together with 0 note. A few textbooks disagree and say the natural numbers include 0.
Essay summary of real number system. Expanding the notion of what we mean by the word number. First, number meant something you could count, like how many sheep a farmer owns. These are called the natural numbers, or sometimes the counting numbers. Natural numbers, or counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to positive infinite. The use of 3 dots at the end of the list is a common mathematical notation to indicate that the list keeps going forever. Whole numbers. Natural numbers together with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to positive infinity. integers. Whole numbers plus negatives. From negative infinite to positive infinite. Rational numbers. All numbers of the form where a over b are integers, but b cannot be 0. Irrational numbers cannot be expressed as a ratio of integers. As decimals, they never repeat or terminate. Rationals always do one or the other. I hope you learn. Thank you for watching.